Kigeranio gĩa KCSE nikiingirite thiku ya keri na kiratwarithio na mbere o wega gutari na muhinga o wothe. Mitaratara yothe ya ministry ya githomo undu umwe na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni irarumirirwo na gukinyiria riu gutire ciiko cia uregenyuku ithukitio.
I want to assure everybody that the papers are intact. The papers are sanctity. We do not have any malpractice or any leakage on the examinations.
Muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kanju ya igeranio cia KNEC John Onsati kiroko kia umuthi ni acerire mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru guthurima uria igeranio iranyagio na kuringana nake arutwo ni magiteirwo uria kwagiriire nginyagia maretiriha igeranio.
There is not going to be any cheating. I want to assure you this, because the officers that we are having, the center managers, the security team, have played in the past. They have carried out this exercise, and that is exactly what I've reminded them.
Gukinyiria riu Onsati augite igeranio ni iratwarithio na njira njega gicigo-ini giki guku akiruta mukana wa gukanjirwo kigeranio kuri arutwo aria mekunyitikana makigeria kuhenania.
The exercise that went last time, I've congratulated the security team and the DCC and the center managers for a job well done. Now we are looking forward to this one, and from what we have discussed, they have assured me that the exercise will go on well.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.